This is the News 6 Morning News. Getting results.
6:15 on your Monday. Time to Ask Trooper Steve, where we answer a question you sent in. Today we're talking about taking that ticket to court.
Yeah, and the process that goes. So we had this question come in. Millie of Orlo Vista asked, what can I expect once I have requested a traffic court date? So the key to the whole thing is once you request the date, watch out for the mail, because it's going to come in the mail and it's going to give you a time and place where you need to be. First, make sure you're there and make sure you're coming prepared. Since you've requested this date, obviously you disagree with the citation. So come with the facts, prepare your stuff, and once you arrive, don't be overly nervous. There's going to be a lot of people in the same boat, and there will be a lot of law enforcement in the room too. So everyone sits on one side, just follow the simple instructions, and it moves rather quickly. Be prepared for what you want to do. The judge is going to ask you whether you want to plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest if maybe you're not interested in really fighting it, but you're worried about the points. The judge will then look over your driving record and deem whether he or she wants to add points, force you to go to school and stuff like that. The key, I've seen it as a guy who's been to traffic court hundreds of times, be polite to the judge. Be ready and be respectful. At the end of the day, they're the ones holding your fate in their hands on what they're going to do with that court.
But it's worth it to go.
If you don't agree with it, it is absolutely, even as a trooper, I'd tell you, it is your right to contest a citation. And I think to exercise that right in a courtroom, even if you lose, at least you feel better about it at the end of the day.
All right, thanks, Trooper Steve.
Ask Trooper Steve is sponsored by Alert Today, Florida. Every pedestrian and bicyclist is important to someone, so stay alert because safety doesn't happen by accident. If you have a question you want to ask Trooper Steve, go to clickorlando.com/asktroopersteve.